So now I'm finna pull up. My truck's gonna be right here. We gotta go get the trailer and load it up and fix it. Look at it over there, look. Damn, I should put my tailgate up. Look at it out there. I think I blew a head gasket. I'm not sure exactly what happened to it right now, so we'll figure it out here in a minute. I'm finna get Caden up and go get the trailer and pull it out because it's stuck and it ain't got no power, so we're finna figure out what the fuck happened, so yeah. Yep, look, here's the house view. All the donuts were done right there. My phone was, hold on, it'll focus. My phone was like over here somewhere. Look, look, look. Look at that shit, look. Truck fucked up too. And my truck was all over here. So it was on the bed cover, my phone was, and I slung it off. But I wish there it goes. Yeah, so there's the truck. My phone was like over here by the tree right there, the closest to the mud hole right there. That little tree, it was over there face down in the mud. So yeah, so now we're gonna go to the trailer real quick. We're gonna pull my truck out first and then go get the trailer. So we ain't gotta have a trailer hooked up to the truck to pull my truck out. Oh no. It should be out of this one. There it went. Hold on. Get on this side. You'll put it in neutral. The tires aren't even moving, it's in neutral. Try to back up. Word. All right, so we got it back in the yard from down the hill down there. And so now we're finna hop in the truck and get the trailer and load it up and take it to the pressure washer and shit and wash it off. So we're gonna grab some jacks and yeah, load this thing up. So it's gotta be washed before I take it to my house because I don't wanna work on it while it's muddy. So yeah.
When they start using this biscuit with this bitch?
I don't know. I got a biscuit too.
This shit good.
All right, so it feels pretty windy out here, but we just picked up the 24-foot trailer and we're gonna head back now and go pick up my truck, try and get my truck on this trailer. So it's got ramps and everything, so we're good. And it's got driver fenders, so yeah, we're gonna go get my truck now. So yeah, I believe this trailer, nice trailer, so we can get my truck loaded up on it. I feel like Jake with his big old squat tooted thing on the trailer, but we loading it up. So yeah, dig rig down. So yeah, that's the field we were in. We winched it all the way over here, as y'all can see, and now we went and got the trailer. Y'all saw that too, and we just loaded it up now, strapped it down. And so yeah, that's what it looks like. Y'all make sure if y'all are local, Mark's Outdoor Services LLC, come get with us. So yeah, so it looks like now it's still dumping coolant everywhere. So We're gonna take the pressure washer so I can pressure wash it and figure out where it's dumping coolant at. I think I blew a head gasket, but I'm not exactly sure. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. But muddy as hell. But yeah, so she's on the trailer. I'm gonna take her to the car wash and fuck off with it. So yeah.
No, y'all should see the fucking ditch me and Tucker hit. I swear to God, the bitch is 6 foot deep.
Are you filming a YouTube video? What time is it? 1 o'clock?
I don't even know what time it is.
Good fucking morning.
Fuck that. Micah's got it right now with a Sprite.
I ain't got shit right but a motherfucking headache, nigga. Fucking dig rig.
I got everything. You should have never told me. I got everything right.
I know, I should have just let him fuck his shit up, not mine. I should let him fuck it up. Dude, look at this guy.
Dude, he told me to stop doing donuts
Hey,
and
man.
5 seconds later.
They make you feel good now. Let me tell you. Look at these guys.
What the fuck? Clean up crew. No, don't feel it off. Don't feel it off, bro. You're gonna scratch my shit. You're gonna scratch my shit.
Dig rig, dig rig.
Mm. Yeah. Look at Forrest Gump right here, bro.
Good plastic.
He's gonna run out that
Got
way.
the pajamas on, Corey White.
In everybody's truck.
Yes.
Hold up.
There's some Jeff. Hold on, show him the knot. Show him the knot.
Show me the knot. This is the knot.
Got me the triple fist.
JT was bad, bro. I really thought JT was bad when he was a kid.
What the fuck? The Birkin no socks.
What? Look at the gripper slippers
Birkin no
on.
socks.
Gripper slippers. God almighty.
You ready to go night night, Mike?
I'm doing it.
Got real quiet.
No more hitting any digs.
No more digs.
He thought he has a graps on that.
Hey, I got that taco, it just ain't got no tag. We can hit a fat ass dig.
You're not gonna swing that bitch out there. Come on. Alright. Right there. Here we are. We're here now. They're washing the damn mud off. Look at that. Oops.
Rebuilt.
So I just washed it. Got it done. So now I have to take it home and drop it off. Hey, look at the skateboard, bro. Thing low as hell. Damn, if it's just low. Damn. It looks good though. Look at a little EV thing. Somewhat clean now. That is somewhat shiny. Look at all the mud still on the trailer. I'm gonna try to turn around this car wash so we can get out, which he's got it now. That thing. All clean now. That boy running the trailer. Alright, so we just arrived at the palace. But I'll unstrap this thing and get it off the trailer, so hopefully it'll come off the trailer. I hope it don't spin the whole time on the trailer. Try and get it off.
Oh yeah. No, you got enough run start.
I hope so. Alright, so I'm gonna explain to y'all what happened real quick because I didn't really video that night, but basically New Year's Eve or New Year's night, yeah, the New Year's Eve, I was doing donuts after we did fireworks in the field in the mud. I'll play the clip now.
Go!
And so, yeah, so did donuts. I blew the heater core hose on the truck, blew the heater core hose off the firewall, or it broke off that, everybody knows, you know if you know, whatever, it broke off that little coupling. So I had to replace that. And now it's misfiring on cylinder 4, which it's internal. It's not. I've replaced cool pack, spark plug wire, spark plug, tested injector. I replaced multiple cool packs, and it's still misfiring on cylinder 4. And it's smoking a little bit, so now I gotta rebuild my motor, but you know, it is what it is, so I'll play the rest of the clips now. So yeah.
Oh my god!
You didn't video it, bro. I blew it up. You didn't fucking video it.